Do you want to be able to follow people on Roblox and you need a step-by-step guide? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to either open up your Roblox app on your mobile, or you can do this also on your computer, just so you know. Then what you're going to do, I'm just going to scroll down. I'm just going to find a random person just to demonstrate to you exactly how to follow them. So I'm just going to take this game as an example right here. I'm going to scroll down, click on group right here, just to find some group members. And perfect, as you can see, I can now find the group members in here. So I'm just going to take one here just to demonstrate. So let's say that I would actually like to follow this person right here. So what I'm going to do right here is to just go to their page right here, and then I'm going to locate the three dots, as you can see to the right. So click on the three dots, and as you can see, I get 4 options in here. But of course, for this tutorial, we're going to click on follow. And as you can see, I'm now following this person right here. So basically, this is exactly how to follow somebody on Roblox.